capture that you do? That's all.
No, I'm
It's
recording.
recording your voice too.
Yes, the voice, screen, everything. Alright, so let's keep going here. Programming in Java. So here, if you go on to Google and if you write Eclipse download, and you have your download 64 bits, and you can download from here, from this mirror, or if you just go to Eclipse, and that is right for you. See, there are different ones. You can have Orion, you can have install your favorite Eclipse packages. There are runtime platforms as well. What we will install is this one, download Eclipse 64-bit, right here, this one. Okay, download and run it. There is an open source. If you want, you can give. I have already downloaded one of them, but I'll just go walk you through it. So, are you guys aware of what is OOPS, object-oriented programming? Okay. So, what do you know about it? OOPS.
Oops, concept and class, inheritance,
Hmm.
level of classes, and all about programming language, data types, variables, and all that.
Hmm. Yeah, that is true. And do you know what are variables? You know what are, do you know variables? Okay, so we need to go from scratch. So we'll build it up from scratch, okay? So did you download this
Yep.
Eclipse? You downloaded it?
I just downloaded, but now it's saying the virtual machine could not be found. Yeah, you are getting the same one? They require 64-bit Java and virtual machine could not be found.
Okay.
You want to browse your system for it.
So you downloaded this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so once you have downloaded it, do this. Go to java.com, and here you they say free Java download. Agree and start free download. And here you would have a Java setup file. Hmm? So this is your underlying code which will run. Okay.
So we run this software, right?
Hmm.
What else have to make changes to your device? Yes or
Yeah.
no? You say no, it's not going to run the execute the file.
Why? Did you agree and start free download? Did you do this?
Yes, yes. No, no, she's saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes? If you say no, it will not install the Java. Yeah. If you want to install it, you will have to say yes.
Okay. Okay, so now once you have it, you click it, yes, and when you click yes, it will start up an installation. So like this. Did you get something like this? Welcome to Java.
Start. Where is this? It will go default where will it go? Change destination folder, right? So by default, where will it go?
It will go in program file. So yeah, it's working. Downloading. Running. So
I
where
said yes, where did
You have
go?
successfully installed Java.
I said install
Hmm.
and I went ahead. Install, and there was another program,
Okay.
Windows that
Yeah.
came, yes.
Now it's on.
Yeah, successfully installed.
Okay. That's good. So you, if you want to change the destination folder, change it.
Right.
Otherwise, yeah, install. You did this already, you
Yeah,
guys?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I have one idea. The- So this guy was also
His
looking.
birthday today. Happy
Hmm.
birthday.
No, it was September 7th. Alright, so if it is out of date, just update it. If not, then it's okay. Click next. So you have successfully installed Java, right? That is done. Once you do that, if you just go into
Now run the Eclipse.
hmm, yeah, go to CMD. Uh, Try typing Java C. Is it recognized, or it will say like it is not recognized as an internal or external?
It's not recommended.
And just type Java.
Now something will happen.
It came something like this came up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. Alright, so that means it's good. Now go and click Eclipse. Do install anyway and run. So now what is it giving you?
Select a 64-bit Java sample and go into install.
Still it is coming the same thing for you. Java for Windows is the same. Okay, so here download this one, the first one, JDK, Java Development Kit. If you are getting the same one, go down, download this one. Alright.
JDK.
Yeah. JDK. And then when you go into Development Kit, the first accept the license. So so if they ask you for a Java Development Kit, right? So something like this will come up. Okay, here
Yeah,
accept it,
yeah.
development kit, and yep. And then the one which for your system, it is a Windows 86. Download this. 64. Download this.
Windows 86?
Yours is 64. Just
Yeah,
do
64.
64-bit.
yeah. So just download this one and run it. So this is another Java which you did. The development kit which you require and run. Download it.
Doing something.
Today our goal is to at least run one program. Okay. Then afterwards we will see from there. We'll go into OOPs and other concepts.
What is it?
Object-oriented programming. and yeah, and then integrations with Selenium, and then frameworks like Maven and Jenkins. Done for the download. Okay, run. It takes time. Yes. Yes. Next. Development standard. There are so many good editors as well, online as well. Like just to run Java, Eclipse is one of them. You have JBlue, one of Blue, yeah. Yeah, there is one of those. Then there is one created by MIT as well, their own editor for Java. What's it called?
Okay, now I'm on the screen. It says custom setup. Let's say the development tool source code public JR. Say next or do it?
Yes. Then there's NetBeans.
Next.
Yeah, next one.
Now it takes time.
Hmm. These are, these are all free IDEs. If you see, these are all so Java develop IDEs means integrated development environment. Ways where you can write your code. Simple. Where you can write your code. So NetBeans is one of them. Eclipse, IntelliJ, yeah, IntelliJ is one. Android was the one which Google has developed. This I have not yet. BlueJ, not JBlue. BlueJ is another one. JEdit. So there are lots of them. JGrasp, JSource, JDeveloper, Doctor Java. I've used Eclipse, I've used NetBeans, I've used BlueJ. These three. Blue. Yeah.
College.
Eclipse?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Done? So same, right? 3 billion devices run Java. So Java was initially a Sun microsystem language. Like Sun, they had these two products which were really really working excellent in the market. Like one of them was Java and another one was MySQL databases. And then it got acquired by Oracle. And they have kept some proportions free, but they start charging for the other ones. That's what they did. So
What
Yeah.
happened?
Now again we have to check on a command from JavaScript.
is it installed? No. Okay, it is installed, right? Just try to run Eclipse once it is installed. But is it installed? Are you sure?
Oh, close, right?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now what you do is go to Eclipse, the one which you downloaded.
Download Eclipse? Yes.
Go to your download folder.
Let's search on the start screen.
Yeah, it will happen. You be patient. It will work. It takes time sometimes. It worked here. Should work here as well. And then, okay. Next. Yeah. So it takes a little time. Tell me what came up. Eclipse came up. Where is your file? Eclipse file. You just
slow because
yeah. Started.
it's not.
Yeah, click run. Run as administrator. Yeah, yes. Yeah. This was not coming before, right?
To charge my laptop.
Because it will load and it will tell you these options. Eclipse for Java developers, Java EE.
Now it's come, it's complete.
Yes.
Now go to Eclipse, right?
Java developer, right?
So what do you want to do here? You want to use Maven, correct? You want to use Grady integration, right? So you will use the first one. The second one, if you see, yeah, is done. This is done, right?
This is done. I'm opening the
First one, right?
So you want to hear what you do. So this is tools for Java developers for creating Java Enterprise Edition and web application, including Java IDE tools for Java EE, JPA, Millen, EJIT, and others. This is for Git client, XML editors. Millen is here as well. Maven and Gradle. So we will use this one, the first one. Okay. And click install. Did it go for you? I mean, for me it won't because I've already installed it. Probably that's why. And this is the log.
So the installation process is taking longer than usual.
Just excuse me. Just need to get this plugged in.
See, the product folder already exists. That is why. For me, it's not installing. What about
It's
it?
the first one, right? The essential tools, this one, right?
Yeah, so it's installing for you, right?
Right? It does not accept.
No, because you need to click remember accepted. Yeah, that's right.
That's
So once you have installed, okay, let's say you have installed Eclipse, then you will get a screen like this. Okay, and then you can create a workspace where you are going to write your programs, right, and your code. So yep, so reach here and then we can start typing. both of you are installing it, right? It's still installed. So let's say, okay. So let's just have a look till that time since still it is installed. So here, right, I'm going to create an Eclipse workspace, right, where I'm going to write a program. So I click launch. Okay, and so whenever you write a Java program, how would a program start? Alright. So whenever a computer wants to start a program, it searches for certain keywords from where it can start out. Okay. In Java as well, we have a main function through which you would start executing your program. Even in C, C++, you would have a main function. Okay. So I created a new workspace, correct or no? Let me just create one new workspace file. Where I create a new project. We have a workspace. Now let's create a new work project. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project. Alright. And let's say new, what we want is a Java project, right? So I'm going to click Java project and click next. How do you do it? Again, here, file, new, yeah, new project you can select, or you can also select Java project and then here Java project. Okay, click next. Name of the project, let's say first program, right? Okay, this is your JRE which we installed right now, JDK and Java which we installed. So this will point there. Alright, here, and then click next, finish.
So where if we are going on the folders from the laptop, like where will you see this?
What? On your laptop? Yeah, that's a good question. So if you go at the top right, here, you will see the entire path. So if I go here, or another way to see it is right click and click properties. If you click properties, you see the path. So this is C drive, user, stage, Eclipse workspace,
Okay.
and first program, right? So that is where my code will be written. And these are inbuilt system libraries which Java gives you. To run their programs, it needs certain existing programs which are already there, which it can leverage. Like your programs, if you write, how does it understand what is main? How does it understand what is this? How does it understand what is class? All this has been defined in the library. So it goes to the library, refers to it, opens it up, and utilizes it here. Okay, that's how system libraries run. So these are inbuilt libraries, and this is SRC folder, which is also called a source code folder. Okay, so here you would write your source code. Okay, makes sense. So this is the first program, these are my libraries, and this is the source code. Alright, so whenever you start up a new program, it will give you these two things: system libraries and source code. Okay, so now I'm going to write a source code here, right, in SRC folder. So I say new, and I say new class. Okay. Alright, or you can just write, let's start off with a here new package itself. So basically here new, if you create a class, the package will get created in by itself, but let's say new package. So what is a package, what is a class? I'm going to say
I finished installing, I click on launch.
Launch, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. How about you?
What is it?
It's launching?
No, it's not. It's giving me an error.
So basically, either is not writable, these two are writable location. Okay, so you need to browse and change the path. So for you it started?
Yes.
Okay, so change this path to, let's say, Just create one folder here in C drive.
Okay. That is state one. Just put it.
Probably you didn't do run as administrator.
No, I am admin for my. But it wouldn't have installed.
In SRC, like a new class or a new package?
I have a folder for QA training. I just
Yeah.
put it in there.
Yeah, new. Okay, you can start with new package. Okay, give it like first program FP or whatever you want. Created. Now within the package you can create a class. So right click new. So let's say this is a package. So I'm going to tell you how to do it. Okay. Okay, here and then once you have created this package, I'm going to right click and we'll do new and we will do new class.
So, Paige, are you recording this thing?
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay. And you will share it?
Yes.
Okay, now it's work. If it doesn't work, if I have to go home and do it, so.
Yeah. Sure.
So I just say next here, right?
Yes.
What did you do? You just said next.
Yeah, next. Did you do all this? So which one did you install?
I installed this, the one that you said, the first one, right?
Why it's in 32-bit? I want it at 64-bit.
It is 64, but it says 32. I don't know what it is.
The next.
She changed the part?
Yeah. So, I don't know what is this bundle tool, but it checks in.
Yes.
Okay.
Select this at the top.
Select everything.
Then click next.
Do I have to select this too?
I don't know whether it comes by default, but right now you can, yeah, keep it as it is. Click next.
Oh.
I must just launched and it started.
I usually don't want this. Memorize it.
Okay. Have a look right now, and we will write what you have.
Okay, again, there's a big screen there. First file, new job, project or a project, whatever. Okay, then name. I already got it. That's only her, right? Then finish. When it gets finished, just open it. It's the as source code. Right click over here. Then new, another package. If it's a package, only this, right? Finish. And again, right click, and then new, and then apples. Okay. Okay, now that's where we are. Okay.
So you created a class?
Yeah. Same step as you.
Okay.
New Java class. Is it running?
Thank you. Or should I go there and changes? Should I install and redo it later?
You have a location that is not right away.
Three. Multiple.
Okay, let's do this much. And then afterwards, what you can do is we will. I think you might require to reinstall it. So that's how we can uninstall it and reinstall it.
Reinstall it. Okay, I'll do that. And so if you share the video that
Yes.
that you're doing recording, so then it's easy for me to practice at home.
Yes, sure. I'll share it. Okay. So here, this is the first package, and then now name first package.
Error occurred while applying security information. Okay, 69.
So you create a new class. Yes. In that you would create a new class.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So now here we are going to write a first program. So I'm going to write public static void main string. Okay. So this is the function which it will always try to find. Void main. All right. So this is our main function from where my program starts. What is all this? What is all this? I'll explain ahead. So this is where your program starts. If you see any of my program here, let's say source, publisher. Here I have input something called a string args, right? What does that mean is that this program can take an input value of string. That's what it says. And any string. So what is a string? Like this is a string. This is a string.
Combination of characters.
Yeah, multiple characters together is called as a string. Okay. So the string. So which one we are doing first? Okay. So I can use here as well string args, and this means it's an array. So not only one string it can accept, but it can accept multiple strings like this. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Okay. Hmm? I'm going to tell you what we are doing ahead. So don't get overawed by what I'm doing. Print. This is a function to print a line. Yeah, this is the first program. All right. Hmm. Okay, and then yeah, whenever you write a statement, you end it with a semicolon Java. I'm going to teach you each and every nitty-gritty ahead. All right. So this, and then when I want to run it, just say run as yes go here and click this button, green button, that's a play button. Click first package and click OK.
What is run as?
So basically, either you can run it as a Java application, or if you have Maven installed, you can run as a Maven application. You get, I mean, these are different ways to execute a program.
Okay.
Okay,
It's not working.
because we have not installed it right now. But
Okay, then run.
just click this play button,
Okay.
this run button. So it will give you something.
The selection cannot be launched and there is no recent process.
Okay, so S is capital in string. So you have error. You need to.
Case sensitive, is it?
Yeah, that is.
As
S is capital. Yeah. Now run it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is a simple program just setting up Eclipse. So now let's see what's wrong. What's the challenge with yours? So can you